Today you have access to a broad range of knowledge. You can train, you can get skills in many areas. But learning how to work remotely, properly, is pretty tricky. Why? Because the knowledge is scattered and it's very specific to you. It's specific to the kind of job you do. It's specific to the kind of team you work with, the kind of business you are in, and the lifestyle you live. The good news is you can learn it from other people's experience. But usually you have to go through all the fillers when you listen to podcasts and you watch YouTube videos, right? Now, what if there was a simple way to access only the nuggets of information that are relevant to your situation? And this is why I created Remote Mentors. Remote Mentors uses a principle I call atomic learning and atomic videos. Let me show you how it works. Once you log in, you have access to all the contributors. As of today, 50 people from 25 nationalities have contributed and new profiles are added every month. Let me show you an example with Michael. So now I can ask Michael only one question. I can go through the whole interview or I can cherry pick the question I want to ask him. For instance, what are the pros and cons of running a remote company? Now watch what I can do with Atomic Learning. I can switch to the question view and ask the same question to different people. I can ask the question to Andrea. I can ask the question to Corey and Jake. And they will all have different answers because they run different kind of businesses. Of course, I can always come back to the mentors view and I can scroll down and choose someone else to start with. Okay? For instance, let's see, I can choose Rachel. Rachel is a professor of sociology. She's been writing a book with her husband, Rob, about digital nomads. And you see, I can ask plenty of questions to Rachel. Another thing I can do is I can use Atomic Learning to ask questions. So this is another way to navigate. For instance, what advice do you have for remote workers? And now, as you can see, I can ask the question to many different people from all walks of life. So we have it's very long to go through everyone, but we have coach, marketing consultants, QA engineer, founders, students, musicians, developers, designers, coaches, okay? And everyone is going to have a different approach to this question because everyone's life and job is different. And for instance, I can ask the question to Stephanie, who's working at Buffer, and if I'm interested in Stephanie's answer on this, I can do the same. I can go back to Stephanie's profile and ask all the questions to Stephanie. Okay? Another thing I can do is I can swipe right or left, okay, to discover new profile. And another feature that I like is the random feature, because with this, I can have a very organic approach and I can discover new profile and new pieces of knowledge I wouldn't have thought about. So with Remote Mentors, you can really level up your remote game with the help of dozens of seasoned remote workers. And thanks to Atomic Learning and Atomic Video, you can cherry pick the knowledge that is relevant to you and to your situation. What I wanted to create is an experience in which, in a way, you are the hero of your learning journey. My name is Charlot, and I'm the creator of Remote Mentors, and I invite you to join us. So if you go to remotementors.io, you'll find this big button. Click it, leave us your email, and we'll be in touch. Take good care. Have a nice day, evening, morning, wherever you are in the world. Ciao.